Far below the waves, where sunlight dies and darkness rules, the deep ocean waits like a giant silent tomb. No human eyes reach this place. The pressure is so strong it could crush steel, and the cold feels older than time. Yet in this endless night, strange life moves quietly, shaped by shadows and survival. As we sink deeper, the blue water turns black. Light disappears slowly, fading like a dying breath. The temperature drops, and the weight of the sea above becomes unbearable. Here, creatures must adapt or vanish. Their bodies twist into shapes that look almost unreal, born from darkness itself. Nearby, long viperfish glide by. Their fangs are so long they cannot close their mouths. They shine with small lights on their bodies, using them to confuse prey. Their eyes see what we cannot. Faint glows in the dark water. They live in a world built from fear and instinct. The giant squid, a legend from sailors' nightmares, rises from the dark. Its arms stretch like ancient ropes, covered with hooks. It hunts silently, searching for anything it can overpower. Few have ever seen it alive. Even today, it remains a mystery wrapped in cold shadows. Deeper still lives the gulper eel, a creature with a mouth so large it can swallow prey bigger than itself. Its body is thin like a ribbon, and it moves with slow, ghostly waves. It waits patiently in the dark, knowing that food is rare and every chance must be taken. We drift past the barreleye fish, a creature with a transparent head. Through its clear skull, its glowing eyes point upward, watching for shapes blocking the faint light above. Its body looks unreal, like something built from jelly and secrets. On the ocean floor, strange shapes crawl. The sea spider, with its thin legs and empty body, walks slowly across the sand. It feeds on tiny animals living in the mud. Every step looks too delicate for such a harsh world, yet it survives where almost nothing else can. Nearby, the tripod fish waits motionless. It stands on long, thin fins like legs, letting the currents bring food directly to its mouth. In a place where moving wastes energy, stillness becomes a weapon for survival. The giant isopod, a creature that looks like an armored bug from a nightmare, crawls across the seabed. It feeds on whatever falls from above. Dead fish, plants, even the remains of whales. It eats all of them. In the deep ocean, nothing is wasted. In black water vents, glowing chimneys of heat rise from the Earth's crust. Around them live tube worms, white and red, with no eyes and no mouths. They survive on chemicals rising from the planet itself. These creatures show that life can exist even without sunlight. The deep-sea jellyfish drifts like a floating lantern. Its body glows with soft, eerie light. Its tentacles wave slowly, waiting for anything unlucky enough to touch them. In darkness, light becomes a trap, a warning, and a weapon. Sometimes entire schools of tiny creatures rise and fall together. This daily migration is the largest movement of life on Earth, yet almost no one sees it. Billions of animals move through the night, feeding, hiding, and returning to the deep before dawn. Every creature here is shaped by darkness, long teeth, glowing lights, strange bodies. They look terrifying, but each one is a survivor in a world where life should not exist. Their existence proves that nature can adapt to the harshest places. As we rise back toward the light, the deep ocean fades into black silence once more. The creatures remain below, hidden from our world. They will continue to live in the cold, crushing dark, waiting for the next small sign of life. The deep ocean keeps its secrets well.